We are outside again at Virginia Highlands at their Food Truck Friday. This episode is all about brick oven pizza. We met up with Alessio Lacco, founder and chef of Atlanta Pizza Truck.
I'm originally from Naples, Italy.
Okay. When did you come to America?
I came to US about 10 years ago. My first city was New York, and then I moved a little bit around, end up in Georgia.
Okay. How did you like New York?
I like it. It's kind of expensive, I would say, little crazy considering, like the other place that I live, but definitely a place where I'm glad I was there.
Okay. Yeah. Do you like New York better or Georgia better?
Georgia.
Georgia?
Yeah. Why? Things here moving a little bit like relax. I'm relaxing here. New York, the vibes in New York is like go, 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 crazy, let's do it. I like to enjoy life like Italians.
Okay.
Yeah.
And why did you start a pizza food truck?
So I started a pizza food truck because I lost my job during the pandemic. I was working a restaurant business, and I was making pizza for all my life. And with my wife, we decided to do pizza around the neighborhood, and that's how we started. So I noticed that every pizza truck was pretty much all the same. They have, like the always basic four-wheel truck. And I was like, you know what? I want to do something very Italian, very different. That everybody, when they're gonna see it, they're gonna be like, oh wow. And the blue truck basically became the wow factor. In Naples, there is a pizzeria every corner, and for me it was very easy to go to one pizzeria and be like, hey, I'm looking for a job. They're like, okay.
Okay.
So we have a different popular pizzas. We have a one with avocado sauce that my wife created. Another one, we put a bacon jam on top of our meat lover. Then we have a spicy pepperoni with a Calabrian chile and a spicy honey. So every pizza we try to make a little bit different, unique.
Pizzas for Kemar? Sorry.
Oh, get in there.
I got the Parma.
And I got the capricciosa.
The which one?
Capricciosa.
Capricciosa.
It's excellent.
Really?
Out of all the Italian pizza places, this is our favorite one.
Okay.
Hands down. They're the hardest to find. They're never available when we are. But when we finally get to them, I think it's just that much better because it's, it's like that hidden gem in Atlanta.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where did you guys first have their pizza at?
You knew him before because he actually had a spot in North Druid Hills a few years ago, and when that closed down, we were really sad. But then we found out that he was doing this thing on his own.
Let's party!
What pizza do you have?
I have a sausage and veggie pizza.
Alright. And this dough is special. What was it made with?
It's made with the most magnesium-filled water in the world, Roy water. The best water in the world. Let me get the water.
Alright, yeah, show us.
The best water in the world.
Alright.
Roy.
Alright, let me see you take a bite.
The moment of truth. Amazing. Amazing.
Gonna taste it.
How many pizzas did you sell today?
160
160.
in 1 hour and 45 minutes.
Wow. And now we're sold out.
Now we are sold out. We got all empty. Nothing.
It was a sold out show today. Now, if you're looking for brick oven pizza, you can find Alessio on Instagram at Atlanta Pizza Truck. For Secret Eats, I'm Kia Armstrong.
Let's go to